Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Be Your Best Beautiful. I hope you guys are doing good and you guys are safe at your homes. So today I'm here I'm going to introduce you to a new website or a new thing in the market, and the website or the thing is Try Kia. Yeah, so from the name itself you might have guessed what it is. So disclaimer, Try Kia has not given me any money to do this and it's not a sponsored video. I really like the concept and that is why I'm here and I'm going to share you my first box of Try Kia. So let me tell you a little bit about the company. So this company was born in this pandemic only, and they basically give you a set of 4 products, and this 4 products at a flat cost of 399 rupees. Now you get to choose a variety of products on their website. So they have skincare there, they have hair care, makeup and all sort of stuff. So you get a huge variety of products to choose from, which I really like. Apart from the products which you choose, they also give you a couple of free products, and which is amazing since it is a new brand in the market or a new launch in the market. I think they are giving you amazing free products, guys, which is very nice. So let's quickly start with the products that I chose. The very first product is a makeup product, and this is from the brand Kiro. Now Kiro is an amazing makeup brand and they have amazing products. I've been eyeing their liquid matte lipstick since so long. Finally I got a hold of it. So this is how the lipstick looks like, if you guys can see. Yeah, so this is a beautiful wine shade. I'm going to show you how the shade looks like. So this is how the shade looks like. The texture is nice, liquidy and creamy, and I really love it. Next product is a product set. So there were these 4 products in the product set. So this is from the brand Wow. I'm going to quickly run through. So this is the Wow Skin Science. It is their body and face Upton. So this is a sample size, if you guys can see. The next product in the set is the aloe vera gel. So you cannot get enough of aloe vera gels. So this is their 99% aloe vera gel from the same brand. Again, it is a sample size, so travel friendly. Next are some creams. So again, these are sample size, if you can see. So this is the red onion cream. So I have never used it, so I'm going to use it and maybe post a review on my Instagram. Guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I post a lot of reviews there. So if you are a skincare and makeup junkie just like me, please follow me on Instagram. The handle is right here. So those are the 2 products. Next thing I chose is again a set of 4 soaps, and these 4 soaps are from the brand Khadi Naturals, if you guys can see. So this is their saffron soap. This one is their lemongrass soap. This one is their pure neem soap, and this one is their pure mint soap. So all 4 soaps and such nice colors. I picked this set also and I'm totally loving it. Next thing I picked up is from the brand Nourish Mantra. So this is basically their facial oil. Now facial oil plays a very important role in double cleansing. So I'm just going to show you the product. The product looks so premium, guys. I mean, just look at this. It looks so good, so premium, and it's a facial oil. So you just need to open it, and this is how the product looks like. Sorry, it got a little bit dark and that is the reason I switched on the lights. Now those were the 4 products which I picked up. They were offering free products as well, and for that also they had options. I'm going to show you what free products I chose. The first free product that I chose is this dandruff control oil shots. Now this is, I have never used a dandruff control. Frankly speaking, I do not have much of dandruff, but maybe I'm going to use this for my husband. The oil shot, if you guys can see, just look at the packaging, guys. This is from the brand Brylare or Brylare. So this is the oil shot. You just need to remove this particular cap, insert this particular thing here, and there is already a hole in here, if you guys can see, and you just need to put the oil there. So I think it's amazing. Such an amazing and such a unique kind of product. Free product which I got is from the brand Skin Elements. Now Skin Elements is an amazing brand, and it's their men's intimate wash. Now I have heard about female intimate washes, but for men I haven't heard. This is gonna get reviewed by my husband, so I'm just gonna show how the product looks. This is how the product looks like. Yeah, so it's like a foam, guys. Our next free product is from the brand Oriana. This is their oil control face wash. So this is how I've used this particular face wash, and it works very well. So this is a pretty good pack, guys, if you can see, and it works very well. I mean, this is how the product looks like. Yeah, that was all for 399. I think Trikea is offering such a good deal at such a less price, and the free products also they're offering are so new and never used before products for me. So I'm super happy about this purchase of mine. And if you guys are interested in using new kind of products, you can definitely try Trikea. Again, this is not a sponsored video, but I'm going to share the link of the website in my description, so do check that out. And yeah, I think that is it for today, guys. I hope you love this video. I hope you love this little unboxing of Trikea. And if you like this video, please like the video, please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you guys next week. Till then, take care. Bye.